In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a professional logo you're guaranteed to love for free. So the way we're going to do this is using a tool called Looka. Now, Looka is an automated logo generator. You can give it some inputs and it asks you about your preferences, your industry, and it's going to output a logo for you, and you can customize it. And we can do all of this in under 5 minutes. So let's just say we're making a logo for our hypothetical business. Okay, it's a blog. And blogs about pizza. So let's say, okay, let's just say food. So the first thing you do is you go to Looka, and I'll link the just click the link in the description to head over to this site. So let's just say it's food. Okay, fast food restaurant. And cool. So now what you do is you just put in your industry, even though ours is a blog, just gives you some ideas. What kind of things do we like? Okay, I like cheesy bites for that. Maybe that's kind of a cool logo. So right here, we're just choosing the kinds of styles that we like. Some are more serious, some are more stoic, some are more, I kind of like that. That's an interesting design. So you're just picking the styles you kind of like. I like that one. Maybe that's kind of cool too. So you just pick 5 of them, and then you hit continue. Next, you pick what colors you like. Okay, I like yellow, I like orange and red. I think, those are kind of, I want something a little bit vibrant for our pizza blog. So let's continue here. So the name of our company is Pizza Fix. Let's call it that. I typed it before, so you can add a slogan if you want, but let's not add a slogan for now. So let's go next. Okay, now you need to pick some symbols, right? So you can go through here and you can start, you can click like junk food, for example, and that's kind of going to help you look at things by category. And then you can start to say, okay, of course, we're doing pizza. So you can see, okay, maybe this is kind of, if you want a more animated logo, maybe you want something like that. I like that logo personally. You can, maybe we go with the, let's just pick one more, just randomly here. Something, maybe we go with that sort of more vector looking, really stylized animation, or maybe you go with something a little bit more graphic like this. But at the same time, remember, we're making a blog, so you can just type something else in, right? So you can type blog, and you can find, different icons here. But let's just go with the obvious one. Again, you can be more creative than this, but we're just going through quickly that, we like these 2 pizza designs. So we just hit next. And then it just automatically starts generating logos for you. So super cool. It's showing us a bunch of logos. So here's some examples with the one that we generated. I kind of like this because it's kind of combining the whole digital idea with the blog with this. But personally, I kind of like it. But this one too is kind of cool. So you got some really bright ones, and the more logos and things you add, the more you can do. So like, let's just say we do start with this one. Let's say, oh, okay, what? Let's play around with this one. You can actually go here and go to customize, and it'll actually show you variations. Like, oh, that one's actually kind of cool with the purple and everything. That's actually a cool looking blog. Or even that one, that's kind of cool too. So you can see here that you can really, literally the potential is unlimited. So let's just say we went with that, right? Let's just say, okay, it's kind of different. I mean, I think purple's a little different, for food. But for whatever reason, let's just say we pick this one. It's kind of it's a little bit, it's different from what you typically see. So now here's where you can get this logo for completely free. All you would need to do is just go here and screenshot it, right? So you screenshot that, then you could go into your computer. You got your screenshot here. Let's find that, right? And then you can use Photoshop or any video photo editing tool, and you can crop that if you like. And that will, you can crop it to whatever dimensions you want, and then you basically have a logo for completely free. Now, there are obviously 2 drawbacks of doing this. So the first drawback is, it's a legal thing, right? So if you have completely no money and you're like, hey, I'm just getting started, I want to see if I can just get some traffic going or something, you can, I suppose you could do it this way. But what I would recommend actually is that you at least buy the basic package. So you get a low resolution version of this logo, and then you're allowed to show your designer. So in other words, you have the rights to this logo now. So it's recommended from a legal perspective, right? So like imagine your blog or your business or something blows up. Would you really want to come back to having some sort of problems because you sort of didn't use your logo, in an authorized way? So $20 for a logo that you absolutely love is not bad. But here's the drawback. This is only going to be just like the screenshot. Like if we just like the screenshot we just took, this is not a vector logo. That means you can't edit it. When I make it bigger, it distorts, as you can see, right? So this is a very low resolution logo. Maybe it'll work in some small places you're using, maybe, to get started. And even this one, right? Like this will just output just a low resolution version. So it says right here, they're running a sale for half off right now, but it's still $65 and you'll get the high res version and everything. But here's a little trick you can do to get it less than half of that. So what you do is you buy this logo for $20. So now you officially own the rights, and then you get the file, and then go on Fiverr. And so what Fiverr is it's a site where it's a freelancing site where people will do all kinds of cool stuff for you for $5. So I looked around everywhere and I found the right guy to do this for you. So I will vector tracing, redraw and vector trace or recreate your logo or image perfectly. That's exactly what we need. So as you can see here, it's 15 Canadian, but it's only about 10. I'm in Canada, so it's converting it for me, but I believe it's about $10 US, right? So we're looking at $30 to get a professional logo you're guaranteed to love because you almost designed it for just $30. Like you go anywhere, you're not getting a logo that you'll love for $30. At least not professionally done. You'll see, they'll give you some templated garbage that it's going to be not unique, not custom. Like this, what you're going to be getting is not going to be something that everyone else will have, that this designer is now just flipping out the text with the same images and icons, right? So again, going back here now, so he does say contact me first, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to contact seller, and and then, hey, as you can see, you can just shoot the guy a message and he'll get back to you, right? And just attach, hey, look, this is what I'm doing. I'm actually doing it for my brand right now. So working with him on this right now, right? And then he'll get back to you and he might give you a different quote. But the point being is, you'll get that significantly less than what you're paying right here. So I'll also drop a link in the description for Fiverr and the exact link to specifically his gig, so you don't have to go searching through everything trying to find this guy. But so hope you enjoyed that. And if you want more tips on how to improve your business, whether it's affiliate marketing or general entrepreneurship, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.